Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete a cycle count task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll receive a cycle count task. Open the cycle count task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task homepage. Press the Start Cycle Count button to begin the task. And remember to make sure you are on the Work page. If the location is empty, just click on the Empty Location checkbox and submit. If the location is not empty, then scan the location, pallet, and item. Input the item quantity and select the UOM. Then tap Submit. When you finish counting all the inventory in this location, go back to the task homepage and tap Close Task. Once this has been completed, the task is finished. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.